I'm so hungry.
My stomach is empty.
Who wants pizza? Who are we? Cats. What do we want? Pizza. When do we want it? Now.
Hello everyone, my name is Elliot, Chef Elliot. Today we're going to make pizza. Here are the ingredients. For dough we will need flour, warm water, yeast, sugar, and salt.
You naughty, naughty cat.
You are getting on my nerves! What a mess! Get off the table now! Oh, what a mess! Let's clean up the kitchen. Huh? What's that sound? It's coming from the fridge. Stop messing around, you not cats! Let's cut our pizza.
Pizza. So yummy. So delicious. Nom nom! I'm so full. That was the most delicious pizza I have ever had.